bad boy here. Don't you think it's a pretty decent pizza? You wouldn't think it's a potato underneath all that, right? Look how beautiful. Look at that. You get everything you needed in a pizza. You got that nice crust. Hello friends, today we are making the easiest pizza ever. It's potato pizza, and here are our ingredients. There's our 5 medium size of potatoes, our cheese, tomato sauce, that's our sausage. I picked 2 sausages and that's with cheese already. And just for the kick of it, I want the color also, 1 chili, onion leaves, and dried parsley. And you're gonna need 1 egg in this recipe. Usually people put 2, but I don't want it to be eggy, so I'll just put 1 egg. And of course, don't forget the salt and pepper. I will put the ingredients in the description below, so you just have to read it. Okay, let's start. Alright guys, our first order of business is of course to grate our potato. And I'm telling you, this here is already a great workout, arm workout. I'm so excited of how this potato pizza is gonna turn out. When I saw this online, I told myself, yeah, we are gonna make that, because we always make potato out of flour. So I don't know if it's gonna be perfect or what, but I am gonna try, and there's no harm in trying. Oh yeah. Okay, one down, 4 to go. Or maybe I'll there you have it, our shredded potatoes, and we'll try and make this a pizza, okay? We'll see you in a while. Alright, and we're back, and first thing that we are gonna do is to double this baby. You know why? You can't control the heat like that. So this is my trick when I don't want something to burn. I double that baby up so it'll be so high up there, and there's no chance of burning of anything. Yes. All right, can you see? All right, so first thing I'm gonna do is to drizzle it with a little bit of olive oil, like 1 tablespoon of olive oil, or just be generous about it. Make sure that you spread it out evenly. Yes, we need all the sides to be oiled, this pan. Okay, we'll just wait for it to be a little bit heated up, and once that's done, we can put in our potato. You think it's ready? Okay. Let's put the fire a little bit in a low temperature there. All right, I think we're good. And slowly I'm gonna put in the potatoes here. Let's try. Okay, looks good. Let's start. Make sure that you So let's cover this baby and wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Well, let's see if it's golden brown under, then we know that it's ready to flip. Flip it over, and now we are gonna put our tomato sauce. Our sausage. And our green onion here. So we got the green, we got the red, we got it all covered. Yeah, the cheese. Cheese makes it better. Everything looks good with cheese. We'll see you in 2 minutes time. And look at this bad boy here. Don't you think it's a pretty decent pizza? You wouldn't think it's a potato underneath all that, right? Look how beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. You get everything you needed in a pizza. You got the nice crust burnt on the sides. And that melted cheese on top. Oh my Lord. My husband's gonna be happy for his lunch. Look at that. Look at this beauty. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a bit more of that dried parsley with a little bit of decoration there. Voila! There's your potato pizza.